Hello, in this video we'll see about how SCADA Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System integrates with GIS Geographical Information System. GIS Geographical Information System brings location context to SCADA data. Integration flow. GIS maintains spatial data like substations, feeders, transformers, poles, consumers. SCADA Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System provides real-time data, that is a breaker status, voltage, alarm, load, etc. Integration layer connects the two systems, that is GIS asset IDs are linked to SCADA device IDs. SCADA data is pushed to GIS maps using APIs or data streaming. Using intermediate layer integration with the web services, the SCADA data is synchronized with the GIS maps. GIS role in SCADA integration. The GIS Geographical Information System, it displays the live SCADA data on maps, that is breakers, open condition or closed state, and voltage status like overloading or normal conditions or underloading conditions with the different color codes. Enable map based alarms, that means wherever the breakers are opened, the downstream network, the color visualization will get changed. Similarly, voltage, it is a transformer, it's a overloading, then the color code, it will get the different, it may be in the red color or something. Help operators locate field easily, issues quickly. That means when the issues are plotted on the GIS map, the field engineers or operators are easily, they can identify the location and they can fix the issue quickly. Integrates with OMS and MDM to get a full operational view. When SCADA system plus GIS system, when integrated with outage management system and MDM metadata management system, we can get the full operational view that when any outage happens, how outage management system will respond, how the crew will reach to the field, the issue location, and how they will fix. And similarly, metadata management system will get the periodic interval meter readings, and they can analyze the actual load versus sanction load, and predictably they can take an action. Next, we'll see about the GIS and SCADA integration architecture overview. It's just a block diagram. SCADA and GIS system using APIs we can integrate. In the SCADA system, core hard part is RTUs and PLCs, that is remote terminal use units, and PLC, programmable logical controls, which are in the field device. Assume that transformers primary side and secondary side to monitor its condition and take a decision to open or close. Okay, those we call as real-time data. And GIS, it's integrated with OMS, outage management system, for any alerts, events. Okay, when an outage happens, then OMS will trigger, OMS will take an action. Similarly, asset management, any equipment damaged and replaced, okay, that equipment will be synchronized. And the GIS having the field web maps and mobile apps, which field crew can handle for a real-time map visualization, spatial analytics, and alerts. Thank you. Please subscribe and watch. I will come up with few more detailed videos about the SCADA system. Thank you.